Good morning, students. Class plus 2 Commerce, subject Accountancy. So, today we are going to discuss the format of cash flow statement. So, let's start the discussion. How to prepare? At the top, we have to give the title Cash Flow Statement of Dash Limited, name of the company, for the year ended 31st March. Whatsoever year is given, closing date that will be written. Now, what is the format? Particulars, detail, amount. Now, as per Accounting Standard 3 revised, total business activities can be divided into three parts. So, we are going to discuss first activity first of all, that is cash flow from operating activities. How to calculate this? Number one, under it we will write first of all profit before tax and extraordinary items. And how to calculate? Why I have put star against it? Because it is required to be calculated in working notes only, beta. So how it will be calculated, that we have already discussed in previous video lecture. Next, under it we have to write add non-operating and non-cash losses and expenses. Now question arises, what types of items we have to add? So various items I have given in this format, like loss on sale of fixed assets, loss on sale of non-current investments, amortization of intangible assets like goodwill written off, patents written off, or trademarks written off, then depreciation on fixed assets, then interest on long-term debts and short-term debts, this will be included, underwriting commission written off or preliminary expense. These two items, now it is being taken under what? These two items, they are taken under beta extraordinary items. So that's why I have deleted, cut off these two items. Instead of it, what we have to write? Increase in provision for bad debts. Clear? So these are the items which we have to added. After adding, what we have to get? The total. Out of this total, then we have to subtract what? Less non-operating incomes and gains. And under non-operating income and gains, what we have to subtract? Like profit on sale of fixed assets, profit on sale of non-current investments, return on investments like dividend or interest on investment received or rent received or decrease in provision for bad debts. इन सारी आइटम को जो लेस करनी है इनर कॉलम में एडम एंड आउटर कॉलम में ये डिटेल वाले कॉलम में इसमें से माइनस कर देना है. व्हाट वी विल गेट बाय सब्ट्रैक्टिंग लेस नॉन ऑपरेटिंग इनकम एंड गेन्स? तो वी विल ऑब्टेन्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट बिफोर वर्किंग कैपिटल चेंजेस. और आज हम इसी से रिलेटेड हाउ टू कैलकुलेट ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट बिफोर वर्किंग कैपिटल चेंजेस, इसी से रिलेटेड न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन करेंगे बेटा. तो दिस रिलेटेड टू दिस टॉपिक ऑन पेज नंबर 5.95 you can see 5.95 two questions are given under this topic, calculation of operating profit before working capital changes. Getting बेटा? एक इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर बेटा एक आंसर ठीक कर लेना है. यहां प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है. 5,44,800 they have written, but correct answer is 5,50,800. Now under this topic, two questions are given, question number 10 and question number 11. तो let's solve these questions. तो अगला पार्ट मेरी नोटबुक से समझो. तो देखते हैं हम क्वेश्चन. Question number 11 I have solved for you beta. So what we have to calculate under question number 11? They have asked us to calculate operating profit before working capital changes. So we will give the title, statement showing operating profit before working capital changes, particular detail, amount. First of all, profit before tax and extraordinary item. How to calculate the amount of this item? In working notes. This is working note. प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स एंड एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी आइटम, और इसके नीचे प्रॉफिट एज पर स्टेटमेंट ऑफ P&L. इन द क्वेश्चन यू कैन सी इन रिजर्व एंड सरप्लस दे हैव गिवन नोट टू अकाउंट्स अंडर नोट नंबर 1 सरप्लस बैलेंस इन स्टेटमेंट ऑफ P&L. तो क्लोजिंग बैलेंस इज 170 माइनस ओपनिंग 1 लाख, तो डिफरेंस आ गया 70,000. देन व्हाट वी हैव टू ऐड? we have to add two item. One is provision for tax. तो क्वेश्चन में you can see under short term provision for tax is given, opening and closing balance. Now remember, if no additional information is there, तो closing balance is taken as made. So we have to take provision for tax made closing balance, that is given of 1 lakh. Then the general reserve balance, it is being increased by 1 lakh. So that will be written as transfer to general reserve. तो 1 lakh plus 1 lakh plus 70,000 add up किया 2,70,000. This amount will be shown as profit before tax and extraordinary item. Under it we have to give the title, add non-operating and non-cash losses and expense. इसमें additional information you can check. One item is given depreciation, so that will be written under it, depreciation return of 75,000. By adding these two, we get the amount 3,45,000 less non-operating income and gains, कुछ नहीं है. तो ये हमारा आंसर आ गया सीधा ही, ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट्स बिफोर वर्किंग कैपिटल चेंजेस, दैट इज 3,45,000. आज की वीडियो यहीं वाइंड अप करते हैं. नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर अगला टॉपिक करेंगे कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटीज. बाय बच्चों.